Most people fail outreach for one simple reason. They either automate too much or not enough. They scrape leads, send messages, and get zero replies. That's where tools like PhantomBuster and Lemlist comes in. But here's the problem. They're built for completely different things. So if you choose the wrong one, you'll waste time, burn leads, and get no results. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be breaking down PhantomBuster versus Lemlist in the simplest way, so you can pick the right tool and actually start getting replies right now. Now let's make this super clear from the beginning. With PhantomBuster, you'll be getting a data scraper plus automation tool, while with Lemlist on the other hand, you'll be getting an outreach plus conversion tool. So one helps you collect leads, while the other helps you turn those leads into replies and sales. And this difference is where most beginners get confused. Now let's talk about when you would actually use each tool. Use PhantomBuster if you need to scrape LinkedIn profiles, emails, or data, and you want to build lead lists automatically, or you're doing data extraction at scale. While I would recommend you use Lemlist if you already have leads or scrape them, and you want to send cold emails plus LinkedIn messages, and you want to book meetings and close deals. So here's the key insight. PhantomBuster helps you find people, while Lemlist on the other hand converts them. And if you skip the conversion part, your leads are basically useless. Now, when it comes on to pros and cons, we'll kick things off by looking at PhantomBuster first. PhantomBuster, starting with the pros: powerful scraping capabilities, automates repetitive data tasks, and great for building lead lists fast. But there are a few pullbacks. First, it is not built for outreach, no real personalization system, and can get complicated quickly. Now, if we were to look at the pros and cons when it comes onto Lemlist, multi-channel outreach, you'll be getting email plus LinkedIn. And for example, if we were to go onto our Lemlist dashboard, and by the way, this is how it will look when you're signed up. If you were to go over to the left-hand menu option, you can tap on People Database, and from here you'll be able to gather leads. And you can now gather leads using signals, and this is a new feature that they have come out with. It is now available. And when it comes onto campaign, you have multiple outreach. So for example, you can tap on campaigns, then you'll select create campaigns. After you have done that, let's say I were to select start with a template. And let's say we were to choose the multi-channel outreach. I'm just going to tap on use template so you can see how it is. So for example, you have the email outreach, you can see right there. You can also send LinkedIn invitation. So you have numerous options. You have the chat option right there. And if I were to tap on the plus, you'll see different options that you also have. You can send WhatsApp messages. You can send SMS. You have numerous options or numerous touch points that you can explore. You also have their AI voice message option that you can explore. So you'll be getting advanced personalization, for example, images, variables, custom messages, and it is designed to maximize reply rates. But there are a few pullbacks. First, it requires leads to start, and there is a slight learning curve. Now, here's the honest truth. PhantomBuster is not a replacement for Lemlist, and Lemlist is not a replacement for PhantomBuster. They actually work best together. But if you had to choose one, ask yourself this: do you need more leads or do you need more replies? Because leads don't make money and replies do. This is why most people actually move toward Lemlist, because once you have even a small list of leads, the real challenge becomes getting responses, and that's where Lemlist shines. Personalized emails, automated follow-ups, multi-channel touchpoints, that's what turns cold outreach into actual conversion. Now here's a quick example scenario. Let's say you're trying to get clients as a freelancer or agency. With PhantomBuster, you scrape 500 leads from LinkedIn. Great, but now what? If you don't follow up properly, those leads just sit there. While with Lemlist, you upload those leads, send personalized emails, follow up automatically, add LinkedIn touches, and now instead of a list, you have a system generating replies. So here's the simple breakdown. Choose PhantomBuster if you need to build lead lists, you're focused on scraping data, and you already have an outreach system. While on the other hand, I would recommend you choose Lemlist If you want replies and meetings, and you want to automate outreach, and you're serious about making money from leads. If we were to explore the pricing, with PhantomBuster, you can get started for free as they offer a free trial, and their monthly plan begins at $69 and it can go up to $439. With Lemlist, on the other hand, you will be given a 14-day free trial period, and you can see that their monthly plan begins at $79 and it can go up to $109. And also with Lemlist, you have different features that you can explore. So you can see right here over 600 million lead database, intent signal agents, as I was saying earlier. You have their email finder and verifier, phone number finder also. So you have numerous options that you can actually use to find qualified data. And they also offer warm-up feature, so this will help to ensure that your emails land in the inbox instead of spam. But if you want to scrape data, for example, of Google or LinkedIn, what I would recommend for the best case scenario is use both. But if you're starting from scratch and want results faster, Lemlist is the better place to start. If you want to try Lemlist, I've included a link in the description. You can test it out and start building your first outreach campaign today. Thanks for watching.